Hello everyone, welcome to DHS Informatics. Today in this video, I will take you through one of the latest IEEE project on blockchain or cloud computing, that is a private blockchain-based access control framework with. So before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon to get more updates. Our project comes under the domain cloud computing. Or what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage and databases. What is blockchain? A blockchain is a distributed database that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. As a database, a blockchain stores information electronically in digital format. Blockchains are best known for their crucial role in cryptocurrency systems such as Bitcoin for maintaining a secure and decentralized record of transactions. So this is our base paper for Auth Privacy Chain, that is a blockchain-based access control framework with privacy protection in. So this project is cloud as a computing model that provides sharing and supports ubiquitous on-demand access computing, providing new data processing and services for many industries, significantly reducing user computing and storage costs and improving ease of use. With the development of cloud scale and intensification, cloud security has become an essential issue in the cloud computing. Access control is one of the critical security technologies for protecting sensitive data stored in the cloud by businesses and individuals. So existing system, with the development of cloud scale and intensification, cloud security has become an essential issue in the cloud computing. So access control is one of the critical security technology for protecting sensitive data stored in the cloud by enterprises and individuals. Since the centralized access control mechanism is adopted in the cloud, the sensitive data in the cloud are easy to be tampered with or leaked by hackers or cloud internal managers. So these are some of the disadvantages of existing system. That is, users cannot control the resources in cloud, lack of trust between users and cloud, migration technology may cause data to change the security domain, virtualization technology may lead resources to be stolen on the same physical device. So this is the proposed system. Firstly, we use the account address of the node in blockchain as the identity, and at the same time the access control permission of data for the cloud, which is encrypted and stored in a blockchain. After that, we design processes of access control, authorization and authorization revocation in Auth Privacy Chain. Finally, we implement Auth Privacy Chain based on Enterprise Operation System, that is EOS, and the results show the Auth Privacy Chain cannot only prevent hackers and administrators from illegally accessing resources but also protect authorized privacy. So this is the system architecture. The system architecture consists of 4 entities, that is cloud, blockchain, DO, that is data owner, and DU, that is data user. So cloud, it provides authentication and data storage for users. Cloud determines access rights of DU or DO, that is data user or data owner respectively, by blockchain. Then is the blockchain. It is open, transparent, tamper-proof and irreversible, and the same as the distributed database. We use it as an authorized or authorization policy database for access control. Then we have as data owner. This data owner uploads the resources to cloud and publishes the resources access rights to blockchain. And the last is the data user. Data user can access the resources if he has permission from cloud. So let us assume that cloud is semi-trusted, that is the software, hardware, asymmetric key and business processes of the cloud are trusted, but the cloud SA is not. Then the blockchain is assumed to be trusted. First, the data owner uploads the resources in the cloud and then publishes authorization by registration transactions in blockchain. The data user sends a resource request to cloud, and the cloud queries blockchain and judge whether the request has the permission or not, and then finally send or reply to the request. So here the access control means that the user requests resources in the cloud, and the cloud determines whether users can access the resource according to the permission stored in the blockchain. If the user has rights, cloud will let the users access the resource, and the access record will be stored in the blockchain. So these are some of the technologies being used, that is cloud computing, blockchain, access control, MPC architecture. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon. If you are really interested in these kind of project and to know more about these kind of projects, you can contact to this mail address, or you can also make a call to these two numbers, and also visit to www.dhsinformatics.com. Thank you.